SnapVue Solutions SnapVue. Remote Connected Frontline Workers. Episode 1. Keeping the Lights On. During the pandemic, frontline healthcare workers were prominently in the news. However, there were many essential frontline workers in areas other than healthcare. Consider Jake, who is the head of maintenance for the regional public school system. He is responsible for maintaining multiple buildings spread across a major metropolitan area. In response to the pandemic, the schools were closed. But Jake was essential to keep the facilities ready to open on short notice. His greatly reduced staff became fully remote workers. Consequently, everyone was on the move, either within a building or in transit between buildings. With no administrative staff, Jake had to validate and acknowledge the frontline maintenance tasks remotely. He had to know where each member of his team was and what they were qualified to work on. Documentation and process flow had to be paperless, since they were working without clerical support. This goes beyond the capabilities of Jake's current maintenance management technology. The radical change in the way the maintenance team operates has been effective. With schools now reopened, Jake is determined to adopt the best practices developed in response to the pandemic by acquiring the right technology to support this new way of working. To summarize, SnapVue helps you in 3 ways. SnapVue gives an overview of the frontline workers spread across a large area. The maintenance managers can remotely dispatch tasks to the right people on site. Teams are more efficient with SnapVue paperless process flow and documentation. In next episode, we will bring you Empowering the Workers. Stay tuned.